Top 10 Cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 for high returns. Terra is a blockchain payment platform for stablecoins that relies on keeping a balance between two types of cryptocurrencies. Terra-backed stablecoins, such as Terra USD, are tied to the value of physical currencies. Their counterweight, Luna, powers the Terra platform and is used to mint more Terra stablecoins, Bitcoin Cash. This coin emerged when the Bitcoin community split in 2017 over the direction it should take. Bitcoin Cash may have a lower exchange value than its cousin Bitcoin, but it offers faster transaction speeds at a lower fee. It is one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 for higher returns. Welcome to Strain. Post your daily dose of news if you're interested. Cryptocurrency, business, health, and latest trend on finance. Then this is place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the news, predictions, and stay one step ahead of the cryptocurrency in business. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you more finance news. Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a product of the Binance Exchange. Binance is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in terms of trading volume. It supports more than 100 cryptocurrencies to trade. BNB Coin is used to perform certain operations over the Binance Exchange, such as exchange fees, withdrawal fees, and listing fees. The Binance team is providing a discount on fees if the user uses BNB Coin to pay the fees. Tether is useful for crypto investors because it offers a way to avoid the extreme volatility of other cryptocurrencies. This creates liquidity for exchange platforms, creates no-cost exit strategies for investors, and adds flexibility and stability to investors' portfolios. It is one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. Polkadot. Polkadot is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the crypto market. The low fees and higher speeds than the Polkadot network offer, when compared to other cryptocurrencies, make it a #1 choice for crypto investors. Polkadot is perhaps the best of the rest when it comes to scalability. Solana. Developed to help power decentralized finance, DeFi uses decentralized apps, dApps, and smart contracts. Solana runs on a unique hybrid proof-of-stake and proof-of-history mechanisms that help it process transactions quickly and securely. Sol, Solana's native token, powers the platform. Cardano. Cardano is touted as the environmentally friendly cryptocurrency, as it aims to avoid the energy-intensive parts of the mining process seen with Bitcoin. It is the first large cryptocurrency that is based on the proof-of-stake model. This model allows owners to stake coins and create their own validator nodes. Litecoin. The third coin on the list is almost identical to Bitcoin, but for some minor changes. It's an open source and peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. Also, it can be used as a script-based consensus network that makes it different from Bitcoin's mechanism. It is one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 for high returns. Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain is an open-source public blockchain, and it has enabled the end user to run a custom code with its smart contract feature. Ethereum blockchain has its cryptocurrency called Ether. Ether is the fuel of the network that uses it in the form of payment or execution fees of any transaction. The blockchain intentionally uses cryptocurrency to avoid wasteful code and remain chain healthy. Bitcoin. The king of all cryptocurrencies ruling the entire crypto market. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency created in 2009 by an anonymous group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Like most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, which is a network of thousands of computers that verifies transactions in real time without interference from middlemen. It is the first choice of all crypto investors, and that makes it one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 for high return.
Strong.